to last week's Morning Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today video gonna be very different. The first thing we're going to watch a movie clip for action fight and then pick one move from each clip and then we're learning it after to watching the video. We're going to learning the 5 kicking technique in classic action fight. Let's go. Let's start the first one, Jackson fight. I'm so excited. Let's go. Wow, that's so fast. That's a great kick. Ready for the fight again. Jackie Chan. Strong kick to the stomach. To punch again. Great acting. This guy have a great kick. Jackie Chan is so young. Nice kick, boom, fall apart, kick the face. Jackie Chan kind of might kick out close and fight. Fight again. Nice. Always I love Jackie Chan fight. Yeah, you see how that speed. Ooh, that'd be so good. Nice, the elbow, and punch. This guy is so strong. Nice, wow. That's it. That's the move I think we should to learn. You see that guy to do a spinning outside kick. Boom, and the fire is gone. I love this move and definitely we're gonna training this one after watching the clip. So let's go to the next one. Ooh, Bruce Lee. Can't wait. Oh, he's training with the side kick. Boom, spinning kick. Boom. So powerful. Everybody know. Oh, he gotta try another kick. Wow, that's a classic kick. The side kick. Oh, my favorite kick. Wow. Okay, that's it. I think we don't need to watch more. Okay, we got to really learning the second one, the Bruce Lee classic kick, the side kick. So definitely this is the second move in our training list. What we can learn from Jet Li today. So after the clip, definitely we're learning this one. This is third move in our training list after watching. Thank you for watching action fight. Oh, this one is Jing. Kick, straight kick. Wow, 5 kick. Impossible. Yes, 540 snap kick in the air. Okay, let's do this. I think this one is doable at home. So let's learn this one. This is, I believe, the first kicks in our training list after watching this video. Let's go. Tommy Jia, definitely my wonderful favorite actor for action. I love it. Lift, elbow. Yes. I think we get to learning this one. I think it's possible. To do at home. So now we got a 5 kicks actually total, and we got to training with them and with the workout and a little bit technique. Right? So follow me now. The first one, spinning kick from Jackson. 4 steps to achieve this today. The first one, you got to knee lift and kick. Use kick by this part. The second one, get ready. Your both arm, swing from right to left and step your right and twist. Look your target. Your body lean to this way and to adding the kick. Thank you very much. Let's go the next one. The side kick from Bruce Lee. The step first. When Bruce Lee to make a side kick, his right leg behind left, and go knee lift, and go kick. And once he go fast speed, he little jump like this. So this can increase much more power. So go 1, 2. That's the first move. And go 1, 2, 3. And lean your body this way and put out power right to the kick. That's great. Let's go to the next one. Double jumping kick from Jet Li. When Jet Li to double kick, the first move, in the air, he bend both knees and go double kick and body almost flat in the air and he landing on the floor. The first exercise you do to go put both hand and try jump, touch both knees and jump, touch your both knees. Now you gotta put the kick. You go 1, 2, boom, kick. Are you landing? Okay, stop, 1, and kick. Both hand hit the floor and 2, jump. The next one from Jing, the spinning kick. Get ready. Step 1, left and right and jump by your right and rotate and switch. Okay, let's do again. So 1, 2, knee, and that's it. Let's do again. Say 1, 2, switch, knee, kick, and that's it. Right? Okay, let's go. Let's go to the last one from Tony Jia. Knee, bunny, straight, your right. Left hand on the floor. Right hand 45 up. Alright? And go 1. Switch your knees. The right by your knee and push up like this. Push. That's great. Push. And after, you can chin up to make your stomach like a braid, a bunny. You kick your left and right. See this. So you go 1. That's the first move. And then you got to adding the right kick. Get this. 1 and 2. Alright, so the quick note for the top action kicks. The first one, the spinning kick. The 3 things is the key. The first one, you must be rotate your arm. And then you got step, you got to turn and your eye to look your target. And your body have to lean to the right side if you kick the left leg. And then you got to kick your left leg and then kick higher. That way, only way, the 3 things you follow, you will be kick higher. Okay, so the arm, speed, and 2, rotate your eye, look the target, and you kick the side. And that's how you can really kick high. Alright, so go to the next one. The next kick is the Bruce Lee side kick. The Bruce Lee side kick, the step is the key. It's very important. You have to step and then you one foot leg behind the other. So this is the way you can really go high knee and kick with your power. And the key also, you jumping to make that small jumping and then you behind. So that's to create so much power with the powerful kick. That is a great technique. Let's go to the next one. The 530 spinning kick from Jack Wu-Jing. So the step is very important. Steps is very important. You say Jack Wu-Jing to make a left and right steps. So you must be really quick. So left, right, and make that turn. And the angle, how you can rotate for 530. That's very important by the steps, right? So you take out by right once you rotate 530 and your body lean back slightly and to make that kick with the power. Remember, steps is the key. Okay, let's go to the next one. Alright, so the double kick in the air from Jet Li. The first thing, you have to jump really high with your double knee, almost touch your chest. So that is a wonderful condition you have to training. Over again. So once you have the high knees, so you can really apply the double kick and your body lean back just a little bit. So that's you can do high jumping, powerful air double kick. Your both hand have to be hit the floor first because they're gonna reduce the impact once you're landing. If you're just landing your back straight like this to the ground, you might get injured your hand to landing. But how not injure your arm? You have both hand to hit, like smash for the ground. So even you feel this is kind of hard and hurts your hand, but better hurts your elbow or broken your shoulder. So you gotta to smash on the ground, reduce the impact, and then you're landing your back, you're safe and flat on the floor. Okay, let's go to the last one from Tony Jia. Yeah, the Tony Jia, the scorpion kick from the floor. The key is your left hand have on the ground and you can take out. This is the most hard part. So you have to kick the floor, and then your stomach go up like a bridge, so you have a little bit of flexibility, so keep stretching. So once you can take off this part, if halfway in the air, and you achieved, because you do after this your left leg go kicking and right leg kicking to the other side, and this is beautiful, strong, powerful, amazing kick. That's great. Okay, hope you have fun and enjoy the video. I see you in next video, and I love you all, and bye bye.